This is a tutorial to show you how to register and redeem Samsung Care Plus. And remember, you have to register within the 30 days of purchasing your new device. Step 1, buy and activate the Galaxy Note 20 or Note 20 Ultra at any authorized retailer. Step 2, on your mobile phone, hop onto the Samsung Care Plus website and click Redeem Now. Or alternatively, you can jump onto Samsung Members app, click on the Samsung Care Plus banner. Step 3, start your registration by putting in your date of purchase and IMEI number. Read and accept the Samsung Care Plus terms and conditions. Complete your personal information. To find your IMEI number, there are 2 methods. Method 1, simply dial *#06# and your number will pop up. Method 2, simply go to your settings, scroll down to About Phone, and you will find your IMEI. And do not forget, if you experience any issues, please contact our friendly experts at the Samsung call center.